Hello! May sasagutin lang tayong comment. Hindi ito guro yan kasi base sa comment niya naniniwala siyang Diyos ang Panginoong Hesukristo. Babasahin muna natin ang napakahabang English comment niya. The use of physical images to aid worship violates the command to worship God in spirit and in truth, John 4 verse 23-24. Also, no one knows what God looks like, and John 1 verse 18 is clear concerning this truth. No one has seen God at any time, the only begotten God who is in the bosom of the Father, he has explained him. And, because God is spirit, John 4:24, it is irreverent to delineate him as an iconic representation. No one alive knows what Jesus Christ looked like in the flesh, and, since there were no cameras when he walked the earth. Dahil hirap tayo mag-English, sasagutin natin ito ng Taglish. Kukunin natin yung mga verses na ginamit niya at sasagutin natin ito isa-isa. Ito ang ginamit niyang mga verses. 1. John 4:23-24 says we should worship in spirit and truth. 2. John 1:18 says no one has seen God. 3. God is spirit, so depicting him is irreverent. 4. No one knows exactly what Jesus looked like. John 4:23-24 worship in spirit and truth. In spirit and truth, hindi ibig sabihin ito na bawal gamitin ng kahit na anong pisikal na bagay sa pagsamba. Sa Lumang Tipan mismo, utos ng Diyos na may Ark of the Covenant, templo, insenso, kasuotan ng pari, at pati larawan ng mga kerubin, Exodus 25, verse 18-20. Ang tanong, if God were against all visible aids, why would He command these? Ang isa espiritu at katotohanan ay ibig sabihin, tapat at mula sa puso, ayon sa gabay ng Espiritu Santo at katotohanan, hindi walang pisikal na gamit. Catholics do not worship the image simply helps focus the mind and heart toward the one being honored. John 1 verse 18, no one has seen God. This refers to God the Father, who is invisible and pure spirit. Pero ang Diyos Anak, si Jesus, ay nagkatawang tao, Juan 1:14. Nakita siya ng mga apostol, disipulo, at kahit ng mga kaaway niya. Simula ng pagkakatawang tao, nagkaroon na ng makikitang anyo ang Diyos sa katauhan ni Kristo, kaya pwede natin siyang iguhit. God is Spirit, John 4 verse 24. Totoo na ang God the Father and the Holy Spirit are purely Spirit. At dahil dito, ang mga larawan ng Diyos Ama ay simboliko lang, hindi literal na larawan ng kanyang pagka-Diyos. Kahit sa Biblia, ginamit ang mga simbolo para ilarawan ng Diyos, halimbawa. Matandang may mahabang buhok sa Daniel 7 verse 9. Ang art ay pagtuturo at paalala, hindi eksaktong larawan ng pagka-Diyos. No one knows what Jesus looked like. Wala nang litrato, pero totoo siyang nabuhay at nakita ng maraming tao. May naipasa ring paglalarawan mula sa sinaunang tradisyon at mga unang ikon. Hindi sinasabi ng mga larawan na eksaktong ganito siya, paalala lang ito na siya ay totoo at nagkatawang tao. Kung bawal mag-drawing ng hindi eksaktong itsura, dapat bawal din lahat ng painting ng mga bayani sa kasaysayan, pero ginagamit pa rin natin para magturo. The Catholic Church distinguishes between worship, latria, given only to God, and honor, dulia hyperdulia, given to saints and Mary. Images are not worship, they are visual reminders, like a family photo. God Himself used visible signs to help His people worship in the Old Covenant, and in the New Covenant, the Word became flesh, making it legitimate to represent Jesus and the saints in art. Maraming salamat sa comment na ganito, marami tayong natutunan.